friends, welcome back to my channel again. Now in this video I will explain you some types of problems on progressions. In my previous video I had explained you I had given introduction about progressions and I had given some of the problems. Now let us see the first problem. Here, which term of arithmetic progression is 2, 8, 16, 2, 8, 14, 20 is 86. Here friends, here they had given arithmetic progression. Here they are asking this 86 is which term of this arithmetic progression. Here if we check, 2 is the first term of the arithmetic progression, 80 is the second term of AP, 20 is the fourth term of the AP. Like this, 86 is which term of the AP. Let us find out. We can take first term A is equals to 2 and common difference D is equals to 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. We got the first term and common difference. Now we need to take formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 of D. So friends, you need to remember this formula. This formula will be used for all type of problems in progressions chapter. So An is nothing but the last term of the arithmetic progression is substituted in the value of An. Here the last term of the AP is 86. So we can substitute the value of An as 86 is equals to A plus, we got A is equals to 2. We can substitute 2 plus n minus 1 as it is. We got common difference as 6. We can write it as 6. Now if we should transpose, we should simplify this. 86 minus 2 is equals to n minus 1 of 6. 86 minus 2 is 84 is equals to n minus 1 of 6. We need to transpose 6 to the left hand side. It will become 84 by 6 is equals to n minus 1. Here we got 616, 616, 6 4 24. We got n minus 1 is equals to 14. N minus 1 is equals to 14. N is equals to 14 plus 1. N is equals to 15. So friends, here we got 86 is the 15th term of the AP. So this is the way of simplifying. Now let us go to another problem. Second question is, how many terms are there in the arithmetic progression? 6, 3, 0, minus 3 and 36. So friends, here we need to find how many terms are there in this arithmetic progression. So let us find. The first term is nothing but A is equals to 6 and the common difference is equals to 3 minus 6 is equals to minus 3. So coming to the formula, An is equals to A plus n minus 1 of D. So the last term of the AP should be substituted in the value of An. Minus 36 is equals to A is 6 plus n minus 1 of D is minus 3. So minus 36 minus 6. 6 is transported to left hand side, it will become minus 6 is equals to n minus 1 of minus 3. Minus 36 minus 6 is minus 42 is equals to n minus 1 of minus 3. So minus 3 is transported to left hand side. Minus 42 by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones 3. 3 14s 42. So we got n minus 1 is equals to 14. Here we got n minus 1 is equals to 14. N is equals to 14 plus 1. N is equals to 15. Here we got. Here they are asking how many terms. Here we got the number 15. Now the total terms present in this arithmetic progression are 15. There are 15 number of terms are present. So friends, the third question is, here the 6th term of AP is minus 10. The 10th term of AP is minus 26. Here they are asking the 15th term of the AP. So let us find. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equals to minus 10. A10 can be written as A plus 9D is equals to minus 26. Now we need to subtract these equations. Plus into minus minus. Here minus and plus. Minus into minus plus. A and gets cancelled. 5D minus 9D is minus 4D is equals to minus 10 plus 26 is minus 16. So here minus minus gets cancelled. D is equals to 16 by 4. 4 ones, 4 fours. D is equals to 4. Now we need to find the value of A by substituting the D value in the first equation. A plus 5D. In place of D we can write 4 is equals to minus 10. 5 fours 20. A plus 20 is equals to minus 10. So A is equals to minus 10 as it is. Minus 10 as it is, and when we transpose plus 20 to right hand side, it will become as minus 20. So A is equals to minus 10 minus 20 minus 30. We got the A value as minus 30 and D value as 4. Now we need to find A15. Friends, A15 can be written as A plus 14D. A15 is equals to A plus 14D. A15 is equals to A. The value of A is minus 30 plus 14. D. Value of D is 14. 4. The value of D is 4. Here is equals to minus 30 plus 14. 4 56. Here we got A15 is equals to minus 30 plus 56 is nothing but 26. Now they are asking that what is the 15th term. So we got the 15th term as 26. Now coming to the next type. Friends, the another problem is here they had given 8th term of AP, nothing but A8 is equals to 31 and A15 and 15th term of AP. Here they given that 15th term of AP is 16 more than the 11th term. They given this condition and they are asking to find arithmetic progression. Many of them will feel these problems are complicated, this type of problems are complicated, but they are very easy. Let us solve them. Now first, A8 is equals to 31. They had given A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equals to 31. We can take it as equation number 1. Now they given A15. A15 is equals to 16 more than the 11th term. Now you keep 16 aside. Here you concentrate on 11th term. 11th term is nothing but A11. So here A11 can be written as A plus 10D. Here we can write A11 as A plus 10D. It is 16 more than this 11th term. This is the 11th term, and we can write 16 more than means that plus 16. Here A15 we can write as it is equals to is 16 more than the 11th term. A15 is 16 more than 11th term. This is the 11th term and this is the 16. 11th term can be written as A plus 10D. It is 16 more than 11th term, so we can write plus 16. So again here if you observe, A15 can be written as A plus 14D is equals to A plus 10D plus 16. Now we need to transpose all these values to left hand side. Now we can write A plus 14D minus A minus 10D minus 16 is equals to 0. Now let's say minus A gets cancelled. Plus 14D minus 10D is 4D. 4D minus 16 is equals to 0. Now 4D is equals to, if we bring 16 to the right hand side, it will become plus 16. Now D is equals to 16 by 4 will come here. D is equals to 16 by 4. 4 ones, 4 fours. Now we got D value as 4. Now we need to substitute this D value in equation number 1. Then we will get A value. A plus 7 of 4 is equals to 31. A plus 7 fours 28 is equals to 31. A is equals to 31 minus 28. A is equals to 3. So friends, we got the A value is 3. A value means the first term of arithmetic progression. We will take a value as first term of arithmetic progression. Here we got the first term as number 3. So the AP is number 3 first term, and the common difference nothing but D we got 4. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4 11 and so on. This is the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 and so on. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.